If you're over 50 and you wake up feeling tired, low on energy, or not quite like yourself, you might assume that it's simply a natural part of aging. But what if that's not the full truth? What if the real problem is something much smaller, something you repeat every single morning without even realizing its impact? The truth is, the first hour after you wake up plays a powerful role in how your body functions for the rest of the day. During this time, your hormones are highly active. They are setting the tone for your energy, your metabolism, your mood, and even how your body stores fat. And the most surprising part is that a few simple habits, things that feel completely normal, can quietly disrupt this balance. Over time, these small mistakes don't just affect your mornings. They build up day after day, slowly draining your energy, making weight gain easier, and leaving you feeling out of control. In this video, you'll discover 7 common morning mistakes that can damage your hormone balance after 50. And more importantly, what you can start doing differently today to feel better, stronger, and more in control of your health. Hormones are often called the body's messengers, but in reality, they do much more than that. They control how your body wakes up, how you respond to stress, how your body burns calories, and how well you sleep at night. After the age of 50, your hormone levels begin to shift naturally. This is completely normal. However, what many women don't realize is that these changes also make the body more sensitive. This means that habits which didn't affect you much in your 30s or 40s can now have a much stronger impact. A simple mistake in the morning can trigger stress hormones, disrupt blood sugar, and affect your energy levels for the entire day. And because these effects happen slowly, they often go unnoticed. You may just feel more tired, more hungry, or more irritable without understanding why. The first mistake is skipping breakfast. Many women skip their morning meal thinking it will help them lose weight or save time. But what actually happens inside your body is very different. When you don't eat in the morning, your body interprets this as stress. In response, it increases cortisol, a hormone that helps you deal with stress but also affects fat storage and energy levels. Higher cortisol levels in the morning can lead to increased cravings later in the day, especially for sugar and processed foods. You may also notice that you feel tired, unfocused, or irritable by mid-morning. Over time, this pattern can slow down your metabolism and make it easier to gain weight, particularly around the abdomen. A simple, balanced breakfast can help stabilize your hormones and set a strong foundation for the rest of your day. The second mistake is starting your day with sugar. This includes foods like sweet cereals, pastries, flavored yogurts, and sugary coffee drinks. These foods may taste good, but they create a rapid spike in your blood sugar levels. In response, your body releases insulin to bring those levels back down. This process happens quickly, which is why you may feel a burst of energy shortly after eating. But that energy doesn't last. Within a short time, your blood sugar drops again, leaving you feeling tired, hungry, and craving more sugar. This cycle can repeat multiple times throughout the day, putting constant pressure on your hormonal system. Over time, this can lead to insulin resistance, a condition that affects how your body stores fat and uses energy. The third mistake is not including enough protein in your morning meal. Protein plays a crucial role in stabilizing blood sugar levels and keeping you full for longer periods. Without enough protein, your breakfast may leave you feeling satisfied for only a short time. Soon after, hunger returns, often stronger than before. This can lead to overeating later in the day or increased cravings for unhealthy snacks. Protein also supports muscle health, which becomes increasingly important after 50. Maintaining muscle helps support metabolism and overall strength. Even a small addition of protein, such as eggs, yogurt, or nuts, can make a noticeable difference in how you feel throughout the day. The fourth mistake is drinking coffee immediately after waking up. While coffee is a common part of many morning routines, the timing of when you drink it matters. In the early morning, your cortisol levels are naturally higher. This is part of your body's natural process of waking up and becoming alert. When you add caffeine on top of already elevated cortisol levels, it can create an unnecessary spike. This can lead to feelings of anxiety, restlessness, and even fatigue later in the day. Over time, this pattern can affect your sleep quality and overall hormone balance. Waiting at least 30 to 60 minutes before having coffee can help your body wake up more naturally. The fifth mistake is not getting enough natural sunlight in the morning. Sunlight plays a key role in regulating your circadian rhythm, which is your body's internal clock. This clock controls when you feel awake and when you feel sleepy. Without exposure to natural light, your body can become confused about when it should be alert and when it should rest. This can lead to poor sleep quality, low energy levels, and hormonal imbalance. Even a few minutes of sunlight in the morning can help reset your internal clock and improve your overall well-being. The sixth mistake is staying inactive after waking up. Your body needs movement to fully wake up and function properly. Even light activity such as stretching, walking, or gentle exercise helps improve blood circulation and energy levels. Without movement, your body remains in a low energy state. This can make you feel sluggish and unmotivated throughout the day. Regular morning movement can support hormone balance and improve both physical and mental health. The seventh mistake is checking your phone immediately after waking up. This habit may seem harmless, but it can have a strong impact on your mental state. The moment you check your phone, your brain is flooded with information. This can trigger stress responses, especially if you see messages, news, or notifications that require your attention. Starting your day in this state of stress can affect your mood, focus, and hormone balance. Giving yourself a few minutes of calm before engaging with your phone can make a big difference. It's not just one habit that creates the problem. It's the combination of these small daily actions, repeated again and again over time, that slowly affects your body, drains your energy, and quietly disrupts your hormone balance without you even realizing it. The good news is that your body has an incredible ability to adapt and recover. By making small, consistent changes, you can support your hormone balance and improve how you feel every day. Start by focusing on one habit at a time. Eat a balanced breakfast, include protein, get some sunlight, move your body, and give yourself a calm start to the day. These simple steps may seem small, but over time they can lead to significant improvements in your energy, your mood, and your overall health. If you want to feel more energized, improve your sleep, and take full control of your health after the age of 50, make sure to subscribe for more simple, practical, and easy-to-follow health tips designed especially for women like you who want to stay active, healthy, and confident every single day. This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. The information shared is based on general knowledge and should not replace professional medical guidance. Always consult your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional before making any health decisions.